Yeah, come on through.
Thanks.
Yep.
You guys going that way while
Yeah. No pedaling from here all the way. It's funny in descent. Get your pump practice right in here. Oh, uh-oh. Yep, I'll make it. No pedals. That's Funyun with no pedaling from the top. Okay. Put the lip back on the rock jump right before the big berm. Test run. All right, that's good, that's good. Take the berm in the middle, finish high, excellent. Before we ride the last section, epic downhill, let's do a quick bike check. Today I am riding Niner WFO, wide effing open. 170 millimeter travel in the rear, 180 in the front. Stopping Hayes Dominion A4 4-piston brakes with 200 millimeter rotors front and rear. Fork is a Manitou Mezzer Pro 29, 180 mil travel, 37 mil stanchions, lightweight and very stiff. Obviously these bold white cables, they stand right out. My wheels rolling on, Bird TR30 wheels, white spokes, obviously. These are polymer braided spoke. Offers sweet, smooth ride and just stupid light. One up oval bar, 35 mil rise, hooked to an i9 A35 alloy stem, 40 mil. It's a cool little red wolf tooth touches there. Standing out, this big Cane Creek Kitsuma coil shock with progressive rate white spring, wolf tooth chain guide just to make sure everything stays in its place. One up oval crank, 32 tooth. I did switch back to GX alloy cranks because I like to play in rocks and not going to risk the carbons on there. There's not much of a weight savings for me. X01 axis drive, Loam PNW 200 millimeter dropper, topped with a Physic alpaca saddle. Of course, Loam lever with the red button and the new XL PNW grips, as well as the updated axis paddle shifter Continental tires, Mountain King on the back, Trail King on the front, 2.3, 2.4 inch, and Crank Brothers Mallet E Enduro pedals. It's a bad machine. All right, coming up to, I think, almost everybody's favorite that rides Glacial Hills. The epic downhill segment. It starts on this corner, goes all the way to the bottom, 1.25 miles. Not really stupid steep enough to keep you going fast. I am not going for any personal records today. Memorial Day weekend, entirely too many people on the trail. It's just stupid if you think today is KOM day. So let's just enjoy the flow. This is where most people just pin it, crank it out. It's very pedally, almost flat. Fun rolls. Like I said, I'm not gonna do that today because guaranteed to beat somebody head on a holiday weekend if you're going stupid fast. Fun here, some roots. Start picking up some speed. How that coil just eats everything up. Keeps that tire glued. This is kind of the halfway point where most people will stop and regroup their friends. I didn't mention it, but I'm sure you can hear Industry 9 Hydra hubs, 690 points, and a swarm of angry bees on your butt all the way down the hill. Another good pedally section. This is really someplace to make up time. If you're going for such a speed record, not a responsible day to do it, obviously. Keep turning, really lean that bike. Use those side knobs. That's what they're there for. Coming to my favorite pumpy section. Pump, pump. No need to pedal here. Big pump, pump uphill, pump up the hill, gain speed, back to pedaling. Again, lean, sharp turn, flat turn. Really gotta use those side knobs. Get around the corner. Now is where you really pick up some speed naturally. You're done, but you've hit this little jump, and now back up. Okay, let's give you a last little bit to the Eckert Road lot. We're gonna go through our newest section of trail. We just finished off all the berms, so they're not fully open yet, but give you a little preview. Right off of the this was just built, opened up last year. It's all PB&J. Pumps, bumps, and jumps. Not too many jumps yet. Hi. Need to put a downhill on this. So that's a new berm. That's a new berm. Can't ride them yet. See how new this is. This is looped right off of our Pine Tree Loop, which is our most beginner loop. So we really put this in for novice riders to start learning some skills. That's a good berm, look at that. He's big, it's gonna be fun. Just need a little more rain, cure it in, and then boom, boom through these. Stay right for the Pine Tree Loop, novice loop. Stay left, take you back to the parking lot. It really is a gorgeous new trail too. This corner is gonna be wicked. It's gonna be so fast. Stay left, go right or do it again. Go right, and we'll head into the parking lot. Keep your speed down, please.